Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the LTRBT token on your Trustworthy mobile app. Our first step is to acknowledge the site we're on, and that's coinmarketcap.com, link in the description. Make sure you simply scroll down once you've logged onto the page and get to its about, where its contract addresses are shown. And you simply click on this copy right here. Once you've clicked on copy, you minimize your browser, open up Trust Wallets, make sure you have BNB for transaction or PEP20 for swapping. Click on browser, click on PancakeSwap, and the site we're using is pancakeswap.finance. It's going to be in the link. Click on Ethereum, click on BNB Smart Chain, and then we're going to be swapping out our Kingdom coin for the LTRBT. Click on import. It says unknown source, so the risk is actually unknown. Click on import again. And now we're going to be swapping this in exchange for little rabbits. Click on max. The risk is unknown, so I'll leave it at 13%. Click on enable. Click on confirm. Click on swap. Click on confirm swap. Increase the slippage tolerance a bit. Let's see if we can get up to 25.0%. I don't know how much it costs. Click on confirm swap. A smart contract call is going to pop in for $1.88. And then you simply click on approve. And by simply clicking on approve, you're given the option to deposit directly into your menu, your tokens menu. Therefore, the LTRBT is going to be deposited here. So you give it a bit of a reload and it would be dropped here. Okay, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.